feet and legs are gonna carry all the body and all the dance. So this is how I see it. Like, for example, head and neck. This is the consequence. The move is a consequence of the chest. So why would we start here if this is not warmed up, right? That's my idea. So feet. You want to go. I'm gonna do 4 counts, but you can start 8, 4, 2, 1. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you control, that you don't, even if you're going fast, if you're going 1, you don't want to go 1, 1, 1, that you control all the time. 1, 1, 1. It's just faster, but the movement is not cut. Okay? You can also do the other way. We didn't do it like that, but you can go down 4 counts, up 4 counts, and whatever other combination that you want to do. You can reverse here, however you want it. It's going to be very useful, but try as slow as possible at the beginning. And then you can go simple at the beginning to transfer the body weight. Make sure you're not sitting on your hip or knee. Find the balance first, and then try to on one leg. You can go higher if you want to make it more difficult. You can do whatever moves in your upper body, and it's gonna be difficult. Oh, and also the sitting on one leg but flat, that you can pull up, open, out, and in. Also, as slowly as you do it, the slower the better. That's it for the feet. And then the hip, let's say combination we were doing. Make sure you never lock your knees actually, or if you lock, because some teachers say that, but I really hope that what they mean is to actually stretch and use your muscles. This way I can do it, because if anything happens, I have control. If I just push back, I'm using my joints, okay? So here, we're going to push the hips forward, like a normal circle, but the big one, not the isolation one. So the bigger one, and here, when I start transferring, I twist, I go to my back leg, scoop the hip, and push to the front leg. Now, I reverse, turn, go to the back leg, scoop, and go up. So you want to do the same move as we were doing sideways. Everybody was doing that amazingly. So here you scoop, you go a little bit out. The same thing here. I don't want to push the hip forward. I want to push it back and transfer. Okay? The bigger you do it, at the beginning, I mean here, the bigger the scoop, that big. Okay? So your whole wave is gonna be bigger. So your head might also move there, but you don't want to add it. So this is gonna happen if you accelerate or if you make a big move. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And another thing was shoulder blades. So we were doing this exercise. Again, this is an exercise to activate the back. You don't have to dance like this. You don't want to feel that strong, but you want to activate your back as much as possible with while relaxing the chest. So here I want to be able to breathe, but still move the back. So when we're doing the shoulder move, of course you can concentrate on the one that goes forward, and you do want to pop it a little bit, pop it out, whatever. But here, I transfer my body weight to the left, so my right shoulder blade is going to go across to the left hip, let's say to the left bum, and this way the left shoulder goes front a little bit and the right hip stays out. Okay, so we're going 1, 2. So this, I'm trying to squeeze right now. Later I'm going to do this like that, okay? So very chill, but because my shoulders, my muscles are already active. So here I want to activate, and this is going to be helpful in whatever. So here I want to push so that my my body compresses and something has to pop out of it. Does it make sense? If I compress, yes, it's like I can't fit my whole body in a smaller space, so something is going to pop. So for example, this is going to be useful for the hip movement,